Why buy an entire range of separate garden tools when you can do it all with one? The Stihl Combi System is incredibly versatile, using a single petrol engine and interchangeable heads for the job in hand. From brushing or tilling to trimming and pruning, the wide range of combi tools gives you the professional finish you're after. Take the pole pruner attachment. Simply attach to your chosen combi engine and you're away, lopping high branches without the need for a ladder in complete safety. Use your head, save space, time and money with the Stihl Combi System.